So I'll just show some of the screen dumps of what we have done for citizen-centric applications which has been implemented in the Kalahandi, one of the most backward district of Odisha, that is the Kalahandi, the KBK, popularly known as the KBK district, it's Kalahandi district. There we have got a UNDP project where we are taking the computer facility, the government services, the government information to the common man through ICT. So this is the home page where you have home, general information, administration, health, education, all those things the common man can access. Under general information, he can get history, geography, people, climate, place of tourist information. It is not only meant for the common people, but people coming from other places as well. So that this is what he gets in the history. He gets district in a glance. He gets statistical information about each block, what is the health services and so on, healthcare, education, all the statistics one gets from the facility. On agriculture, general information, agriculture, type of soil in each block, crop type, fishery. I'll just dwell on only a few slides on which, like this gives it technology. Here the person who doesn't know about the local language, about the English, this is in Odia language, so also we have the icons. So he just wants to know the mandi price, what is the price, the farmer wants to know what is the price today, and this gets updated. So he can sell in whatever prices in the mandi, so he just goes and clicks there. Services, collector, people go to the collector's office to give their grievance, and they have to run after the various officials to accept their grievance. And this he does from the kiosk. He gets a number, that your number is recorded. The grievance search, he can search and find out from the kiosk itself how long it varies. And this is where the collector in the office, he monitors the status of a particular complaint or particular grievance that has been filed by a citizen. He can search grievance details, and these are the application form issue of miscellaneous certificates. He can just download. He did not go to any office. He can just download any of these forms right from the kiosk. There are so many such certificates.
Can you about 30 seconds?
Yeah, sure. He can get a caste certificate, like certificate. This is how he gets a certificate. Search. This is we have fully computerized the voters list, the election voters list, so that he knows whether his name is there in the voters list. He doesn't have to go to the office. Transport. What we have done is, whatever was earlier developed on a client-server model, we have made an interface in the web and integrated to this particular project. So the citizen can directly get the benefit of those projects through the birth report. Then we have developed a full-fledged Odia language email service. So he can send mail in Odia language. So this is how the inbox of the Odia language. This thing he can down. This is how he sends a mail, and the villagers are using this to send mails. So lessons learned, need survey is important because you have to be very specific, because it is just not common to all the areas. So one has to really do a need survey to find out for that particular region what are the requirements. And rural population is innovative. It has been found that we should not underestimate their capabilities. Once you have a kiosk, they themselves have come out with many type of applications which you never thought about before. Somebody puts makes the kiosk itself like a photography shop. He puts a webcam and takes photograph, calls people, takes photograph, takes some money and all that. So new applications, they themselves innovate. Ensure internal ownership of projects, start small, this I have already said. Important requirements, involvement, technology, electronic, data bank, training and awareness. Conclusion, process re-engineering. For developing e-governance solutions, one has to have process engineering, integration of technology, awareness and training, and of course, political will, administrative ownership, and involvement of the administrators. That is very, very important. And of course, technological competence. If you don't have any of them, I don't think you will make a success out of e-governance.
Thanks. Any questions? We have time for maybe just one quick question. We're already over time. I have a quick question. What are some of the future plans for this project?
The future plan is actually we are going to integrate more and more services purely depending on what is the response from the citizen. There was a question that time, how much money is involved in creating a kiosk. Actually it takes something like 1 lakh rupees.
100,000 rupees, 100,000 baht.
$20,000 US dollars. So that is how, and you have to put, you can put a person there who is a graduate, that's all, and he can take up so many different services, and we have to wait and see what is the requirement of the citizen and accordingly develop new services and provide new facilities.
Great, thanks. Any other questions? We can always catch Mr. Pujari over lunch. I think it was a great presentation, very nice snapshots of the websites and e-governance in action. A round of applause for Mr. Pujari. We have some more sessions later on this afternoon and tomorrow. I've got a session tomorrow about the internet in the Asia Pacific region. There's a book whose results I'll be presenting tomorrow. And we have a workshop this afternoon, so if you're going to be around, we can have more discussions. Thanks very much and have a nice lunch.